Today we have Lily in the studios here with us to debate the costs and environmental factors of diesel and hydrogen.
Thank you, Lena. To start us off, like we said in our other news episode on the same thing, that hydrogen is going to be cheaper for the economy because you don't have to go digging for it. You don't have to go pumping. We don't have to pay other countries to import gas. So it's going to be a whole lot cheaper for us.
But hydrogen, it appeals to higher class because it is more expensive overall to refuel your tank. So in a way it doesn't.
True. But for hydrogen, it is going to be more expensive than diesel, which is why it appeals to that higher class, which is the reason why we can't switch all our cars over, because not everyone in this economy is the higher class.
Yeah, diesel, it can fuel many different car types. Plus, it costs about the same as regular gasoline and is less expensive than hydrogen at around $2.50 per gallon.
Yeah, and hydrogen can run between $2.50, to $4. So they're about the same, but they're also very different.
Good point. All right, we're back and we're discussing the environmental factors of diesel and hydrogen. So, as we know, when you put diesel in a car, it burns fossil fuels, which is known to create lots of pollution, which is just bad for the environment in general.
And when you use hydrogen, there are no harsh chemicals being used and burned, so it's actually better, and this sounds kind of stupid, but it is better for humans in general because we're not intaking all those toxic chemicals that could end up hurting us in the long run.
Yeah, and going off what Lily said there, the pollution that is let off by diesel can cause so many different health problems in the people who are constantly around it and breathing it in, like lung problems and all sorts of bad stuff.
And it's also renewable, so there are no pollutants being released. Like we said in our first video, it's totally clean. When it does let off, it's healthy for the environment, and you can reuse it over and over and over again. It's not wasteful.
Yeah, diesel is a non-renewable resource, which means you have to dig it and you have to find it in the ground. And so once you use it, it is gone.
Tune in next week when we discuss... We don't know what yet.
We can cut that part out.